Your front door does more than just welcome guests. It protects your home, improves energy efficiency, and adds to your property's curb appeal. In Metairie, where heat, humidity, storms, and daily wear can take a toll on exterior features, your entry door works harder than you may realize. Over time, even the highest quality doors begin to show signs of aging. Knowing when it's time for a replacement can save you money, increase comfort, and enhance your home's appearance. Here are the most common signs it's time to replace your entry door in Metairie. Noticeable drafts or rising energy bills. If you feel warm air creeping in during summer or cool air slipping through during winter, your entry door may no longer be sealing properly. Metairie's humid climate and fluctuating temperatures can cause door materials to expand and contract, leading to gaps around the frame. Older doors often lack modern insulation technology. If your energy bills have steadily increased and you can't pinpoint the cause, your entry door could be contributing to the problem. A new, energy-efficient door with proper weather stripping can significantly reduce drafts and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Visible damage or warping. Take a close look at your door. Do you see cracks, dents, rust, peeling paint, or signs of rot? Wood doors are especially vulnerable to moisture damage in southeast Louisiana's climate. Warping and swelling are common issues, which can make your door difficult to open or close. Metal doors may show rust or corrosion, while fiberglass doors can crack after years of exposure to intense sunlight and storms. If repairs are becoming frequent or cosmetic fixes no longer improve the appearance, replacement is often the smarter long-term solution. Difficulty opening or closing. Your entry door should open and close smoothly. If you're forcing it shut, struggling with the lock alignment, or noticing that it sticks during certain times of the day, it could be a sign of structural changes. Humidity in Metairie can cause frames to shift or doors to swell. Over time, these issues worsen and can compromise both convenience and security. If adjustments no longer solve the problem, a new door properly fitted to your frame can restore ease of use and peace of mind. Moisture between glass panes. Many modern entry doors feature decorative or energy-efficient glass inserts. If you notice fogging or condensation trapped between the panes, the seal has likely failed. Once this happens, the insulating properties are compromised, reducing your home's energy efficiency. While the issue might seem minor at first, it can lead to further deterioration. Replacing the door ensures you regain clear visibility, improved insulation, and a fresh look. Outdated appearance. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it looks outdated, faded, or simply doesn't match your current style, it could be affecting your curb appeal. In a vibrant community like Metairie, homeowners often invest in exterior upgrades to keep their properties looking their best. A new entry door can dramatically transform your home's exterior, increase perceived value, and make a lasting impression on visitors and potential buyers. Security concerns. An aging door may not provide the level of protection your family needs. Weak materials, worn locks, or soft spots in the door structure can make forced entry easier. Today's entry doors are built with enhanced security features, including reinforced cores, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials, especially important in storm-prone areas. If you no longer feel confident in your door's ability to protect your home, it's time to consider an upgrade. Excessive noise from outside. If outside traffic, neighborhood activity, or storm noise seems louder than it should be, your entry door may not be providing adequate insulation. Modern doors are designed to reduce sound transfer, creating a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment. Making the right choice for your Metairie home. Replacing your entry door isn't just about fixing a problem, it's about improving your home's comfort, safety, and style. If you've noticed drafts, visible damage, sticking, or security concerns, a professional assessment can help determine whether repair or replacement is the better option. In Metairie's unique climate, investing in a durable, energy-efficient entry door can provide long-term benefits. From lowering energy costs to boosting curb appeal and enhancing security, a new front door is a smart upgrade that pays off every time you walk through it.